pistol, 6-inch barrel, 125 grain, hollow point. So we're just going to kind of work our way down here, and we'll see if we can get the shots. Let's go. Okay. Good. I think we got him. I think we got him down. Let's go take a look at it. Let's go see our trophy.
That hurts my ears. Oh my gosh.
I didn't even do anything.
Is there any bullet holes in it?
Somewhere.
It'd be funny if
We got him.
Ew.
We got it. Look at that. We got that. Look at this. Look at that right there. Number 387. We got him.
I'll just blow up now. Whoa! Dad, how'd you go before anybody else comes around?
You get a close shot of the maggots down here.
Oh my gosh! Ew!
Right there.
I zoomed in. Okay, I think that's good. I'm out of here.
Tape.
Right here. I got it.
Okay.
Wait. Let me both. Let's both get it. Dad, get down next to it. Look at this big old.
Look at that trophy. Be with us again next week when we go hunting for the ever elusive Holstein cow, milk cow.
Crap, battery died.
Nice. It's a good thing mine died.